Hey guys, welcome back to Shan's World, and today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken and shrimp Alfredo with sun-dried tomatoes. So right now I'm just going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil into the pan. Then I am going to cook my shrimp. For the seasonings, I'm going to add a little bit of Slap Your Mama, some garlic powder, onion powder, and some black pepper. Now that I've added all of my seasonings for my shrimp, I'm just going to let this cook. Now that my shrimp is completely cooked, I'm going to take it out the pan and start on my chicken strips. Okay, here I'm just adding some extra virgin olive oil into the pan. I did season my chicken strips off camera, but you can season your chicken strips however you want. Okay, now that I have my chicken strips completely cooked, I am going to take them out and I'm going to cut them up so they can go inside the Alfredo sauce. Now for the fun part, I'm just going to cut half of this unsalted butter to place inside the pan. Okay, now that the butter has melted, I'm going to add 1 pint of this heavy whipping cream. Now I am going to add the shaved Parmesan cheese. Right here, I'm just going to add a little bit more Parmesan cheese. Next, I'm going to add some garlic powder. Onion powder, Italian seasoning, crushed red peppers, but this is optional, and some black pepper. Now I'm just going to give this a quick stir, just so all of the seasonings, the heavy whipping cream, and the Parmesan cheese can come together. Alright, here I am just going to add the chicken strips into the Alfredo sauce. Next, I am going to add the shrimp. Now I am adding the sun-dried tomatoes. And here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.